We come to question 16, which is as follows. Find the integral of 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 4x dx. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to integrate that expression. So I'm going to write 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 4x dx. Now these should be in brackets like that. So what I'm going to do is, now let me start integrating. So I've got 3x raised to the power of 3 plus 1, okay, over 3 plus 1, then plus 4x. Now 4x is raised to the power of 1, so plus 1, okay, over 1 plus 1 plus c. Okay, now once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is now just to evaluate that. So I've got 3x, 3 plus 1 will give me 4, so 3x raised to the power of 4 plus c. So over, before I even write plus, then I add 3 plus 1 will give me 4, then plus, then 4x, 1 plus 1 will give us 2, then over 2, okay, then we say plus c. Okay, so what you can do now here is we evaluate. So can we divide this 3x over 4? No, so we are going to remain with 3x raised to the power of 4 over 4 plus 2 into 4, it will go 2 times, so we have 2x raised to the power of 2 okay, then we say plus c plus 3 c, sorry. Okay, so that is the final answer of that question. So what we do is we come down here and write the same answer I've gotten, which is 3 over 4x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 plus c. Okay, so that is the answer that you record there. Okay, we come to 16b. In the diagram, excuse me, in the diagram, quadrilateral P is mapped onto Q by a single transformation S. Okay, so you can take time and look at the diagram. So we can now go to the actual question, which is describe fully the transformation S. Okay, so what you can take time and look at, okay, is let's talk about the diagram P and Q. So the diagram is sitting in the same position, and then it has been transformed. Okay, P has been transformed into Q. So what you can do is we can pick a corresponding side. So let's talk about let me mark this position, okay, and these positions are corresponding. Okay, so first of all, now since the diagrams are sitting in the same position and there's no turning and the other things, that means we can say this one is in translation. Okay, the type of transformation is translation. Okay, now let's find how have they transformed, by what vector. So when you look at this one, this point I've marked, you will notice that it has moved 3 steps going to the right. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is 3. So you can say definitely we can tell that the vector will have 3 over, then coming down. When you look at the shape coming down here, the same position, you look at it has moved 1, 1 2 steps. Okay, sorry, that is okay, 2 steps. Okay, so that means going down, not up. That means it's going to be negative 2. Okay, so that is going to be negative 2. So the type of transformation is translation, and the vector is 3 over negative 2. Unless if there are questions, but basically that's how we go about this one. So to describe fully the transformation is, we can say that is translation okay by the vector which is 3 over negative 2. Okay, so that is translation, and the vector is 3 over 2. Unless if there are questions, if there are no questions, basically that's how we go about this one.